morning, little pup.
Morning team, got a different kind of video this trip. We're doing a bit of a full driving camping mish. Thanks Maia. We've got me and Charlotte and Maia in my ute, and then we've got a couple of my mates behind us in their vehicles. Yeah, so the whole point of this trip is to kind of get them out in their vehicles and do a bit of full driving. Nothing too major, but still like a bit of decent driving, which will be cool. Then camping tonight, hopefully sneak out for a hunt, which will be good. And yeah, see how we go. There's a fair bit of rain last week, so that should make it quite interesting. Hopefully the river's not too high, but yeah, we'll just have to assess that when we get there. But yeah, now looking forward to it. We'll let you know how we go.
See you soon.
Woke up at dawn, boots on my feet. The rooster's crow is
Alright, we're off. Just let some air out of our tyres. Now we're good to go.
Let's go.
Looks pretty good.
Take that right hand side, right hand side as much as you can.
Woo-hoo-hoo.
Oh, my handbrake's on.
Nice.
That's embarrassing.
That's
pickup truck rattling down the dirt road. Radio on and my story's told. A dog by my side and a hat on my head. The life I've always lived. Some might wonder, some might not see. Sets me free.
Eventually.
Eventually we got there.
They keep calling my name.
Oh, he's jumping. Bouncy, bouncy. Whoa!
Beautiful.
Some might not see why life sets me free. It's the simple things, not the fortune or fame. It's the roots that keep calling my name.
Just a big rock in the river, just try and see it. Big like orange one, just try and miss that. And same thing, just steady on the gas. You don't have to give it shit, but just try and carry your momentum through the bumps.
Nice.
Cam, do you want to come have a drive of the Hilux, mate?
If City won't say no.
Go on then. Stop here. Oh, hello. Alright, excuse me, Maya. Sweet. Go driving, you have to stay in the back.
Driver, you stay here, buddy. Hello.
Don't break the truck.
Hijack you.
That's alright.
I guess you just sort of go around there and just miss that log.
Yeah, don't hit that log.
Yeah.
You're good, you're gonna miss it.
I guess we cross over as well.
Oh, go on then. Just steal his truck.
Yeah, I don't know where we're going, so.
Over there.
Yeah.
Turn up.
I've got dust on my boots and hay in my hair. A little bit of wild that I just won't spare. Sunrise finds me where the creek runs deep, counting stars at night before I fall asleep.
Excuse me,
My
driver.
turn.
Excuse me.
Born and raised, living my life in a southern haze. Tractor wheels turning, the world feels right. Country roots grow strong under the pale moonlight. Hands in the soil and the sky.
There was a blue duck flying up the river.
There's freedom.
I would not have gone that way.
From Port Swings Creek to the rooster's crow, it's a simple life, but it's all I know. I'm a country girl, born and raised, living my life in a southern haze.
Yes.
Don't do what Charlotte did.
Don't follow that line. just go up, stand there, come across a bit sharper.
Cornbread, bacon, mama, sweet tea, church bells ringing on a
Toto. Ready to watch me get Toto?
Jeez, what are you doing? Just driving around in the river looking for the deepest spot.
wasn't getting stuck. I was just having a good time.
Oh, really?
Did you not like my
carry on.
driving?
That was shocking, eh? Yeah, but come along and then turn down and come across. Yeah.
Alright, here we go.
Oh, I'm nervous driving my ute across the deepest part.
Whoa.
I'm not sure who's more nervous, Sedona driving or Ben because Sedona's driving.
Definitely him. Nailed it. Nice. Woo! We've got a change of driver too, eh, Rye?
Yeah.
Good.
He's driving by.
All the girls are driving right now.
Whatever you do, don't let Lee drive it. That was a low one.
I'll stick to my paddock basher, thanks.
Sorry about that, mate. That was some low-hanging fruit. It's probably a little bit too soon, isn't it?
Isn't it?
Yeah, a little actually.
Whatever.
We'll get up onto this grass bank and then you probably want to change drivers because this is the last bit and it's usually the Nelly.
Gnarly.
I'll make a bit of room for you guys if you come across that bit and then just watch me go across this next bit and see if you want to do it because it is pretty it's pretty bumpy, so we'll just do that, play it by ear.
What do you reckon, Lee?
Thinking not. Gotta know when to tap out.
Thinking not.
Oh, I'm nervous.
Ben, what do you reckon?
Woohoo! That was it, Maia. Alright, that last section's a bit too full on for the boys, so we're just gonna leave. I'm just gonna turn around and go back across because because I've got a bull bar, so they just don't have the same approach angle. So yeah, we're just worried that someone's gonna clean out their bumper, which would be a stink way to end the day. So yeah, I think it's the right call. But anyway, we'll give it a go backwards. Yeah, it was good fun though. I scared the shit out of the camera woman. Oh well, we've made it to the top of the river. That last gnarly section that I did was like the last part, and then that's as far as you can go anyway. So yeah, we just turned around there and came back down one corner, and now we're just having some lunch. So yeah, stoked with all the utes getting up here. It's pretty cool. First time doing river driving for the boys, so yeah, they did very well. And the girls as well. The girls did some driving about halfway, so yeah, everybody's stoked. We're just gonna have some lunch and then cruise out of here, head to spot number 2. So I probably won't film too much of the drive out because it's all much the same. But yeah, we'll see you at camp spot number 2.
For the sun in the cup, it's golden and brown. Feel the rhythm shake the ground in this town. Sip by sip, my worries start to sway. Rum and reggae keep the blues away. Rum and reggae under the moonlight glow. Feel the breeze while the good vibes flow. Raise your glass while the melodies play. Rum and reggae till the break of day.
Alright, we've just had lunch. Had a bit of a swim as well. It was pretty fresh in that river, but that was bloody good. So yeah, we're just cruising out the same way we came in. The boys in the D-Maxes are going to lead us out, so that'll be interesting. Shark's behind the wheel again, so we're tailing Charlie on the way out. See how long that lasts. But yeah, anyway, we'll catch you at camp spot 2. Alright, we've made it to our camping spot. It's 10 to 7, so we've been on the road for just coming up to 11 hours. So I don't reckon I'm going to go for an evening hunt. It's just so nice down in this river that I think I'm just going to crack a cold beer and hang out with the crew. But yeah, anyways, yeah, we're camping right on the start of the track for tomorrow, so it's easy as in the morning we just pack up and get going straight away. Yeah, I'll probably go for a little hunt, maybe just up this creek in the morning, see how we go. But yeah, beautiful spot. I'll let you know if something exciting happens, but apart from that, I'll see you in the morning.
Backed up my truck, said goodbye to my phone, left a gone camping sign. Now on my own. No meetings, no emails, no boss breathing down.
We'll see what everyone's having for dinner, eh? This has got to be the flashiest ever. What's going on here, Cam?
Oh, it's a bit of steak, mate.
Steak.
Steak.
Steak and kebab. Bloody hell.
How good.
I suppose you gotta do fine dining in a spot like that, eh?
Yeah.
What do you got, Maya? Becky's. Oh, Becky's over there. What have we got going on, Charlotte?
We got burgers going on, and some onions. Got some lettuce, cheese. Oh, they're starting.
Yeah. Pretty good, eh, Whooper?
Clear mountain streams, my calendar's now full of blue sky dreams. No traffic, no deadline, no alarm clocks ring. Just a half a
Morning, team. It's a beautiful misty morning. So no wind. Me and Maya are just gonna sneak up this river. Hopefully we can find a deer on one of the grassy corners. Can hear a wecker in the background. Yeah, so we're just gonna quietly sneak our way up this river for a couple of hours and then, yeah, see how we go. Oh well, we've just jumped into the bush. That river sort of got quite gorgy, so the chances of seeing a deer down in there are pretty slim, so yeah, I'm gonna sneak around in the bush. See if Maya can find one for us. Ah well, no joy on the deer. That's all good though, we're just going to cruise back to camp. We only gave it sort of a couple of hours, so yeah, would have been lucky to get one in that much effort. But yeah, no, it was good though. We hunted up that little river a little bit, and then did a little bush hunt, and then hunted the track a little bit, and then Maia indicated up the track, and yeah, we shot up there, up into the bush again, and yeah, bit of old sign, and Maia was looking keen for a while there, but yeah, just nothing happened. But anyway, that's how it goes. Far out, this is looking quite rutted out sort of track. Should be fun on the way up in the utes. Bloody good. Time for a coffee, and we'll see you guys once we're ready to start driving. Right, we're off. Let's go.
Day number 2.
Alright, we're just leaving camp right now. Gonna go start the track. Me and Maia had a sneak peek at it when we went on our little hunt. And yeah, there's a few good little sections, so should be fun. Alright, first little challenge. Just drive this one, I reckon, because the next part's probably filming. Actually, you might want to film this bit. Nice. Bit harder than I thought it was going to be. I think it just needs a bit of a drive. Just needed a bit of right foot.
From the berries.
Hey Rye, harder than you expected?
Yeah. I'm just gonna cruise up there. So in the middle, like let this wheel sort of follow the right and then sort of try and pull out. Just Don't button off. Best we say. Okay. Button off. Okay. I said don't button off.
Hey, Ryan.
Don't back off.
Woo! Nice. Got a bit of airtime there.
Oh Jesus.
It actually should be pretty easy. Just stay in the rut.
So
Easy?
CDCA was like an entry level
Yeah.
type situation.
Thoughts, Ben?
Easy.
I think it looks worse than it actually is, so we'll see when we drive it. Should be not too bad. Ooh.
Can see ourselves this time.
Lovely work, well done. Lovely work. That was Wayne. Didn't touch the door. Easy.
Easy.
It's quite interesting being at the front. Like, I've done a fair bit of full driving, but I've always been with guys that are a lot more experienced at it than I am, and always following them, you always get to see a vehicle go through like a challenge first, so you sort of know what it looks like. So yeah, it's quite cool, like being the first one through. I'm definitely learning a lot more being the first one, because yeah, it's just way different. I didn't realize, it sort of surprised me a little bit. Like, you don't realize how different it is when you get to see a vehicle go through something first. You know, when I feel like I drive quite conservatively when I'm in the front, because I don't want to like go too high and roll my ute, but like you'll see on the footage, that one, like Ben went way higher than me, and it was fine, but yeah, just when you're in the front, it's like a bit scary taking the high line, because you don't know how, I'm not experienced enough to know how off camber it's going to be. So it's all good though. It's like you learn a lot being at the front, I reckon. It's all good though. It's like you learn a lot being at the front, I reckon. So it's good.
And lucky in that one, it was only a bit of dirt.
Yeah, we didn't.
It's okay.
No damage, just a bit of a touch on the thing. Anyway, carry on.
What happened then, Ray?
Didn't we? Oh, we just about rolled. Nah, we didn't. It just even like we were just saying to the camera in the ute that on that last section, I didn't want to take the high line because I was scared it was going to be too much of a lean, and then we're coming through that part and it looked like it was fine, and then it was way more of a lean, so I don't know.
Unfortunately didn't get that on camera because we didn't think it was that
Yeah,
bad.
it's hard to get it right.
Slippy here.
What's it like at the top of that big hole? Or
That's fine.
sweet. Another good little section here. I think I'm going to run the diff lock this time just to help me be able to drive it a bit slower. good to run them as well. Ooh, fucking duck. Nice. Enjoy it so much more once you just commit.
Yeah.
Like obviously I just still don't want to get major ones and dents, but I don't know. I used to drive all this like, ooh, scratches, but now it's like just fun.
Ooh, scratches. How's Ben gonna do, Cam?
He'll be right, as long as he's not a pussy.
That's staying in the video.
Yeah, that's fine.
Need to buy some more camera gear. That's a fun little one. You'll enjoy that one. You get a bit of a lean. Just try and like have your wheels so they're sort of like trying to climb the ruts a little bit.
Yeah.
Like don't try climb up, but just have them so they're sort of going.
Yeah.
You know,
On the left hand side of it.
on the right hand side. Just so your wheels.
All right.
You know, I probably haven't actually. Just don't drive super hard, and I'll be able to sort of show you what I mean. And you should feel it like when you're leaning over this way, you naturally want to turn up like that.
But you turn into it and it pulls you
Yeah,
up.
because you want to go like, it's scary, so you want to try turn uphill, but it makes it worse. And then you're also like, when you're turning away, the ute's going like this into the bank.
Yeah.
But then when you turn your wheels into the bank, it'll start to climb, and it actually, it levels you out, and it's also rolling the ute away from the stuff you don't want to hit.
Yeah,
You'll feel it.
Oh,
Yeah.
sweet.
So you feel how you're leaning over. Yeah, now start driving. See how it starts to level out? Just keep doing that. Then just give it some.
Very good. Yeah, I see what I mean. He means about riding up the bank. It really does level you out.
Yeah, definitely.
Bugger. How far is it? We're miles, eh? No good.
Yeah, like that whole bottom, that whole sort of corner is just like in line with the tree. There's no way it's going over.
Did you bring your axe?
I did. I did actually.
Do you want to have a go at it or?
It's a big tree to chop down.
Yeah, that's a very big
It's already half chopped.
I feel like the fact that this end of the tree is close to my head is not a good sign. Because a 5'2" reference is pretty good.
Shit. I just don't really want to cut it and then it like f the track right up, because at least you can still get a quad under there.
Yeah.
If I had a chainsaw, we'd probably do it, but
Yeah.
and like, because I don't really want to try and winch it out of the way, because if it goes, then my ute's attached to it.
Yeah. And you're going on.
It's a long way down.
Final decision?
I don't know. We'll have to figure something out.
What was the decision, Rye?
turning it around.
Why's that?
We just don't have the right gear to cut that tree out of the way, and I don't want to cut it with the axe and then it be right across the track. Like if we had a chainsaw, we could probably cut it and then cut it again so we can get it completely out of the way. If we cut it and it falls and makes it worse, then we ruin it for everybody else. So yeah, we'll just yeah, we've had a good trip, so best not to ruin it at the end.
Noble decision?
Yeah.
It's terrifying. I wasn't on that side on the way up, holy.
Crikey. You would not want to go off there.
She's a bit steep.
Oh well, we're pointing the right way again now. So we're going back down, which will be good fun.
Up, but just be mindful that if you slip in, then that's when you'll hit quite hard.
Yeah, I was going to have a look at it and see if maybe I can straddle it a bit more this time going down it. That's a bit of an angle, eh?
I was gonna say, I feel like I'm up really, really.
Slow and steady wins the race.
Exactly.
Slow and steady keeps his door panels straight. Oh. You're going to lose the red water from slipping down into it.
That was a work of art, Ben.
Nice spotting, mate.
There's a big stick there to get your tyre around, otherwise you'll puncture straight into it.
Oh, true.
Yeah.
Ooh, yeah, you get a bit of a lean on that one, eh?
Yeah.
Cool. Super. See, how fun is this when you just use it for what it's for, eh?
I've done way more than I thought I could. Just drawing the left and fire.
Yeah.
And the gearing down.
Yeah.
Gearing
And
down.
like, you look
Game
at
changer.
stuff and you go, holy fuck, I don't know if I can do that. And you
Yeah.
just
A lot of it at
Yeah.
the top, and you can just feel, even the sidewall of the tires, you feel
climbing, eh?
eating into the rut as you hang up there.
So much better than just on these great toys and then just only using them road.
Yeah. And even the earing down on the rocks in the river,
Yeah, you can like,
you can feel it actually climb each rock.
and if you look out the window, you can see it'll like mold over the rock, and
Yeah.
then so cool.
It's quite good.
Oh well, that's it for our first attempt at filming a full driving video. It was a great trip. We had a great time in the river yesterday. Everyone's trucks made it up to the top, so stoked with that. Everybody drove really well, so that was cool. It was just me and Ben that went up the other track this morning. Lee left early this morning, he had some stuff to do. But yeah, awesome trip. We only got out for one hunt, me and Maia. But yeah, that's all good. It was more about full driving and hanging out with everybody this trip, so it's all good. Yeah, thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one. The girls drove really as well. Yeah, the girls drove real far. I don't know what I'm saying.
Do you want to do a few more?
Okay, I'm going. Morning team.
Fucking hell. Oh, sorry, Riley.
Got a few fun littles there. And this track's quite more washed out than, well, this track's quite a bit more washed out than the last time I was here. It's quite good though. What was I gonna say? Forgot. Anywho.
I packed up my truck, said goodbye to my phone, left a gone camping sign, now on my own. No meetings, no emails, no boss breathing down, just me and the pine trees, far from the town. I'm gone camping